All right, look at this. It is 4:48 and 34 seconds, and it is 97 degrees at Sky Harbor Airport. Unbelievable. Very, very warm start. And it's not just there. We're seeing these temperatures in the mid-90s. It's around the valley. Scottsdale 96, 94 in Avondale, 93 in Laveen, 92 in Chandler, and then a smidge cooler over in Apache Junction, 89 degrees. In the 60s in Flagstaff and Payson, 70s in Prescott. Maybe you're going to cool off today. It's a good idea because we do have a first alert weather day because of the excessive heat. We're going to get to 103 by 11 a.m., 107 by 1 p.m., 3, 4 o'clock, right around 1:14. If you are cooling off by the pool and there's going to be kids there, make sure you have a designated water watcher. That's a person whose sole responsibility is to keep an eye on the kids. We're clear out there. The radar is quiet. We are going to see some changes, though, as we get going into your weekend. Best chance for storms today will be in the mountains. Our threats, maybe some wind and some dust. We're going to have storms get kind of close to the valley, but I don't think we're going to see widespread activity. Let's get you into the afternoon. I'll stop at Futurecast here at 12 o'clock. There's our mountain storm starting to bubble up with the heat of the day. They're going to congregate around.
And dare I say, did not get eaten alive by mosquitoes.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, which I'm quite surprised by.
Yeah, we like to hear that. Was it humid out there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Air you can wear.
Yeah, air you can wear, yes. We're going to have a pretty toasty weekend, at least by September standards. So you might see some folks out on the boat trying to get few last weeks in of summer. I know the calendar says fall, but we do things a little differently here in Phoenix when it comes to those temperatures. We're in the 70s out there, and as Gina mentioned, cool temperatures, but the humidity is pretty high. We're in the 40s in Flag. April told me that they have some fog going on in Camp Verde, so keep that in mind. Maybe some limited visibility. 57 in Prescott. We're in the 50s in Show Low. First alert radar is clear. We got a few showers kind of south of the 10. They're not a threat, no flooding issues, and shouldn't be a problem for anybody. We're clear up in Flagstaff. As far as the big picture goes, we got some dry air that's pushed in from the west, but we still have moisture streaming in from the south. That's why that humidity is lingering. These gray colors you see, that's moisture in the air on our water vapor map. So clouds in Pine Top with temperatures in the 50s. We could see some storms in eastern Arizona and the mountains for today. I know Phoenix is included in this map. This is kind of much. Be safe out there. Gibby, I just talked to Scott Passmore. He walked into the studio and he was coming down on the 51, and he said he saw at least 3 cars spun out. So if you can delay your commute, I would do that. I'm going to show you the areas where I think that's most important. Let's jump into first alert radar first, though. This is where Gibby was, right around the 101 and Thunderbird. Some of the heavy stuff that he saw is now pushing toward Litchfield Park. If you live on Avondale, Litchfield Park, Tolleson, even parts of Glendale, and you're thinking about getting on the I-10 or the 101, and you don't like driving in rain, I would wait. I think your boss is going to understand. This is going to be pretty tough rain. Not only slick roads, ponding, but the visibility. Your wipers might not even be able to keep up. Look at the heavy rain and a ton of lightning. It is loud in Avondale right now. We got a few snow showers falling. Maybe an inch or 2 today, but really tomorrow is when we're going to start to stack this snow up in places like Flagstaff. So let's roll through Futurecast. Here's Tuesday, 5 a.m. As we get going into the afternoon hours, we'll see a little bit of snow starting to fall, but then our storm winds up, pulls in some moisture, and things are going to really get going tomorrow right around when the sun's coming up. So you don't want to be traveling on the 17 on Wednesday morning. If you can delay your travel to the afternoon hours, that would be much better. It's going to be really windy. The snow is going to be falling at a very fast pace. Unpleasant conditions and dangerous conditions to be driving in. We'll be dealing with rain in the morning and in the afternoon in the valley. Here we are Wednesday, 6 p.m., and we're still seeing that snow in the mountains, eventually pushing over to the eastern side of the state. Starting to exit the state, getting into Thursday. Thursday, 5 a.m., we'll push that snow over into New Mexico, and we're going to start to wind things down. So snow potential, 4 to 8 inches above 5,000 feet. Payson, you guys are at 5,000 feet, so at least 4 inches with this system.
Ian, who has your first day of fall forecast, and other places it'll be cool.
Yes. And you made it. You have been marked safe from summer in Phoenix. Congratulations. You probably see this on people's Facebook later today. We made it through summer, at least the worst of it. You know, we are going to get back to the hundreds, but hey, no more 110s, 105 possible, but the really tough stuff is gone, thank goodness. And it really wasn't that bad of a summer. Let's get into what it feels like right now. Temperature.